NaPali and snorkeling off the coast of Niihau is a privilege that few get to experience. Holo Charters has invited me aboard their Kauai-built catamaran for a closer look at the majestic Nepali coast, Hawaii's forbidden island of Niihau and Lehua Crater.
Holo means to explore, to travel, and to go. Experience the adventure of a lifetime and go the distance.
Aloha, Captain Glenn.
Aloha, Madison.
Thanks for having me on board. Can you tell me about the highlights of the Niihau and NaPali Super Tour?
Well, the Super Tour is unique. We head to NaPali first. We look at the beautiful cliffs, which can be 4,000 plus feet tall, sea caves and stunning waterfalls. We head across the channel to Niihau and Lehua Rock, finding the best suitable spot to snorkel. Water clarity can be 100 plus feet. The monk seals are there in the summertime, and manta rays and all kinds of great things to see.
What makes this destination so unique?
Not many boats go out there. We are the only tour boat company that schedules 7 days a week. Our boats are custom and they're built high performance to get you to the fun faster. Say yes to adventure and join us for a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Thank you so much, Captain Glenn, for having me.
You're welcome, Madison. Thank you so much for coming out with us, and come back and visit us again sometime.
Holo.